Hello everyone, welcome to the IBU Career Center platform. In this video, we will briefly explain how students can use the Career Center system step by step. First, let's start with the login process. To use the Career Center platform, click the Sign In button located at the top right corner of the main page. On the member login screen, students can log in using their IBU Hello System username and password. After entering the email address and password, simply click the Login button to access the platform. After logging into the system, students are directed to the dashboard. The dashboard is the main control panel of the Career Center platform. In this section, students can view the job they have applied for, explore current opportunities, and monitor important information on the platform. Using the menu on the left side, students can easily access all other features of the platform. In the Settings section, students can select their areas of interest and preferred career fields in the Work Preferences section. This helps the platform recommend more suitable jobs and internship opportunities based on the student's interests. After making the selections, the information can be saved by clicking the Save Changes button. In the My Profile section, students can update their personal and professional information. Here, students can upload a profile photo, update their contact information, write a short bio, and add their education and experience details. Completing the profile helps employers better evaluate student candidates. On the profile page, students can also add their skills in the Skills section and share their LinkedIn, Instagram, or other social media accounts in the Social Network section. These details help students strengthen their professional digital profiles. In the Contact Information section, students can add their address, city, and country details. This information allows employers to contact students more easily. If students encounter any issues while using the Career Center platform, they can use the Support Desk section. Here, students can create a new support ticket and track the status of their request. The CV Builder section helps students create a professional resume. Students can add their educational background, academic achievements, and certificates to build and update their CVs. In the Work and Experience section of the CV Builder, students can add their previous work experiences or internships. By entering start and end dates, job titles, and descriptions, students can present their professional experience in detail. In the Jobs section, students can explore job and internship opportunities published on the platform. Students can also track their saved jobs, applications, and application status in this section. With the Messenger feature, students can communicate directly with recruiters or other users on the platform. This allows students to establish faster and more direct connections with employers. The Social Wall is the social interaction space within the platform. Here, students can share posts, follow other users, and view career-related content. The IBU Career Center platform is designed to support students in their career development. Through this platform, students can create their professional profiles, build their CVs, explore job opportunities, and communicate with employers. Our goal at the IBU Career Center is to build a strong bridge between students and their professional world. Thank you for watching.